Hey everyone, Javier with Service Nerd here, and today I'm going to show you how to boost the performance or speed up the performance of your Mac or MacBook computer for absolutely nothing, for free. So, first things first, you're going to want to download this here, Onyx. It is a free program that you can use to boost the performance of your computer, and so that is our choice. It's something that I like personally. It's something that we will use from time to time on our work computers, on our workstations at work. So this is our program of preference, if you will, for doing anything that's free. So first you're going to want to download it, and I'll have the link down in the description to a blog post I'll make, and in that blog post you'll be able to download the Onyx DMG that is for your specific OS X version. From there, if you don't know how to find the OS X version you're on, you can also check the link in the description. I'll have a video, a quick video on there on how to find the OS X version that you are on, because you will need that to download the proper version of Onyx. So here we go. First things first, we're going to go ahead and open and install Onyx. Once you've got it open, simply drag it over to your applications folder. Come on. All right, and then we have here Onyx. So open up Onyx. Close this guy out. Okay, application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? So yes, we do. If you are having trouble opening this program, because it is freeware, so it's not in the App Store, if you're having trouble opening it, I'll also link another video in the description that will show you basically how to change that setting. I really want to make this quick, 5 minutes or less, and how to boost the performance of your computer. Awesome. So this is Onyx software license agreement. Obviously, you're going to agree to that. What I like about Onyx, one of the biggest things I like about Onyx, is that before you do anything, it will actually check the smart data of your hard drive. So it actually goes one step beyond disk utility. Um, so sometimes disk utility will pass or show that the hard drive's okay, and this will actually pick it up, and it's pretty quick. It just, like I said, just checks the smart data. So just go ahead and continue, and it'll begin to verify the structure of your disk. Now, no matter how long this takes, depending on your hard drive size and the amount of data on your hard drive, this can take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. If it goes beyond that, please just be patient. It is checking your hard drive. You do want to know if your hard drive has problems, because if it does, you want to make sure you back up and save the information on your computer. Integrity of your hard drive is always very, very important. So I'll come back in a minute here after this is done. Awesome. So our disk has been verified and everything appears to be okay. Great. So next we're only going to get into a quick cleaning, something you shouldn't really be worried about doing on your own. And so they make it pretty simple. We're going to go over to the cleaning tab. And we're just going to run through a couple of these. My personal preference is to hit these first three. I don't really like to do anything other if I'm having somebody else do it. If you wanted more advanced cleaning, if you want someone to take care of a little bit more than that, then feel free to either send us your computer or stop by our shop in Rancho Cucamonga. So first one here, we're going to hit the system. Leave the boxes that are default checked. I wouldn't do anything with kernel and extensions. If you do mess up your computer with that, you're going to have a tough time fixing that. So we'll just go ahead and hit execute off the default. Just a quick warning from Onyx that it's going to quit all applications, which is perfectly fine. Same thing here, guys. If it does take a minute or two, just kind of let it go through the process. It's obviously for the benefit of you and your computer. Give me 1 second while I take care of this. Cool. Sorry about that. The program I used to record this Camtasia I don't know. I just kind of popped up on the screen. So cleaning is finished and the commands have been executed. So go ahead and click OK. It will prompt you to restart the computer. So for right now, we're not going to. If you'd like to at this point, what you can do is restart go through the same process, opening Onyx, and then move on to the next step. But really, I don't see too much of a difference. I mean, I haven't run into any problems doing it. There may be some people that want to restart it though, to be overly cautious when performing this. So for right now, I will just close this tab. We'll go over to user, and so here we're just going to go through the cache buildup of the computer. So kind of clean up a little bit of the extra, dust off the picture frames, and wipe the counters down, if you will, for your computer. So we'll go through, and we'll go through the cleaning again. And guys, always remember, if the cleaning progress takes a little bit of time, do not panic, do not worry about it. The only time I'd say you really should be concerned is, I mean, maybe if you leave it running overnight and it's there the next day, then you might want to consult a professional. But worst case is just be patient, wait it out. If you're working on something important, don't do the Onyx cleanup we're showing you here. So 99% of the time though, it's 2 to 3 minutes. Awesome. So that one took a little bit longer than the previous. So now the cleaning is finished, and the commands have been executed for that. So again, be very, very patient. This computer is almost stock. It's our work. We only use it for checking in customers, taking information, setting appointments. So it's really, really bare. So yours may take a little bit longer, though it is running an older. It is an older, just I believe 2008 MacBook. It's not even a MacBook Pro. So you may see less, you may see more time. Either way, just hang tight. Cool. Same message here. We don't want to restart. We don't want to shut down. Unless you want to be overly cautious, go ahead, restart, open back up, and continue from where we're leaving off here. So the last one I want to do is just the internet tab. And if you're really particular about your internet, maybe you clean it out fairly often, then I guess you don't have to do this. But if you're not, run through the internet cleaning. If you're not sure, run through the internet cleaning. Nothing that this is going to do can't be undone. Nothing that this is going to do is going to harm anything. So here we go. We'll go through and do the internet cleaning now. And that one's one of the quicker cleanings. It's really not much. And so now that that is done, let's get rid of this notification. So now that that is complete, you want to restart the entire system. And from there, so let me backpedal a little bit here. So under the system and user, you're clearing a lot of the cache that's in the computer. And so you're going to want to let a little bit of that build up. So don't worry if you see a little bit of, you should see an increase in performance, but if you see a little bit in dip in performance when you first begin to use the computer, the first couple of times you use it, it will start to build up the cache, hopefully of the programs you use the most often, and maybe you don't use anything. Let's say you use Microsoft Word, and before you were using Pages or vice versa. And so hopefully that cache is cleared from the one you're previously using to the one you now currently use. And you see a overall better performance. And again, don't be afraid if you don't see it right away. It may take a couple restarts. Don't know why my calendar popped up. If you do not see a significant boost in performance, or if you're not happy with it and you still want to increase the performance of your computer, feel free to check out more of our videos down on our channel. Or check out our website. Maybe send us your computer, maybe walk into our store, and we'll give you a free consultation. We always do free diagnostics. What I like to do is give you at least up to 3 options on whatever it is we do for you. If we're boosting the performance, 3 options for boosting the performance at different price ranges. So if you want to make a minimal investment, or you want to go all out and max out your computer's performance for the long haul, we're happy to do anything for you. So, as cheesy as it sounds, I hate to say it, but please like the video, share it, subscribe, comment, suggest any other videos you guys may want to see, anything that I can show you guys. We will be putting up a lot of free content on here. I want this to be kind of a how-to guide on how to do almost anything for your Mac. And thanks. See you in the next one. Bye.